Good evening, people. This is our project, and our team name is Skyline, which you can look over here. And this is what we have worked for this hackathon. According to the RDBMS, we have created four roles. First is the fleet manager. The fleet manager has the maximum access to the data which is present in our database. Here he can view all the vehicles, like how many vehicles have added, how many new drivers that have added. For example, this is which just added for a few hours ago. All those things like like according to this, we have added the drivers. Then he can also view and add the maintenance for the particular vehicles which need maintenance and other things. Here it can also view the analysis of how everything is flowing in a how everything is flowing in a particular manner. Here in the settings tab, he can change his password, view the general settings, so like how he should view the whole area. And here's the authentication area, and here he can delete or deactivate his account. And then here he can review his whole profile and to make some changes according to him. So this was the dashboard for the fleet manager. Now we will go to the next one. This is for dispatcher. Dispatcher, like it particularly defines which vehicle goes to where and how what kind of cargo it is carrying. So this particularly manages that area. Okay. It also manages and like assigns the trip for every single vehicle, and then his own personalized profile area where his information is available to him, and he can change them accordingly. Now, from here, we will go to the third one, the safety officer. The safety officer defines like safety officer determines the particular driver is suitable for the particular job he assigned to or not. Okay, and here he can also view the trip that the drivers which have been assigned to the particular trip are clearly fit for that trip or not. If he is not available at that time and the driver is already assigned, he can verify them and make changes to their trips and like make them unqualified or qualified for that job. And again, his profile over here. And then for the last one is finance analyst, which who also can verify all the all the fleets that has been going around. Secondly, he is the one who will assign the money for the like trip expenses, like how much fuel they have used, okay, and how much like the rate for the tolls and the other expenses that they have. He will verify them and he will allow the funds according to those videos. And then he also maintains the analyst area, like analysis area. And here is his personalized profile. And for the login area, this was the only demonstration part. Okay. So for example, if there is a real manager like fleet manager, if he wants to log in over here, he first have to like for that the admin will provide the real credentials to that particular person, and with those particular credentials, he will get his own uh, dashboard as a fleet manager. So these are all the demos like how this should look if a real fleet manager has the access to the real data. These are all the data which we have created. for the particular demonstration purposes. And now we will go to the sign. In the sign up page, you sign up as a uh, driver. So, for example, if I sign up like this, and then I add an email over here, and then we need a driving license number. So, for example, if I add some numbers to it, this is our driving license number. And then, for example, we have a Tata truck, and this is the vehicle number that we have for that particular Tata truck. And then for the password, we can add anything. Like it will also determine the password is strong or not. So it will also like cross-check your password is strong or weak. According to that, you can like put your password over here. And now we will create a new account. Here we have created a new account and we will add the account over here. Now we sign in. Now as a new driver, we have signed in and here we have all our data. Okay. Because we are a new driver, so we don't have any ratings or anything over here. Okay, but we can view them over here. Like for example, if I go to the manager, here you can see there is a number 30. So which means if I go to a driver here, see, we just created a new like driver, and in our database it has been stored as a new driver, and here is all the data about us. Uh, now my team members will speak up and they will give their views and everything, and their contribution about our project.
Hello, my name is Rachit Jaising. I basically designed the backend of the system along with database. So my work was based on Node.js and Express servers that acts as a fast RESTful API for our transportation operational platform. It follows a clean architecture to handle the core business logic and the routing data efficiently between front-end dashboard and our database. Our server immediately connects to the database upon startup, and on the data side, we are using MySQL as a relational database to manage all our fleet operations. The schema is built around the core operational entities like users, vehicles, and drivers. These are connected through central trip tables that tracks cargo, assign routes, and dispatch tables.
Myself Drishti Gupta, and my primary responsibility was front end, and I also worked on building the UI and implementing the authentication system and designing the application's interface. I collaborated with this team to integrate the front end with the backend APIs and ensure a smooth user experience.
Mm. So thank you guys. This is the whole hackathon project for the Odoo 2026 hackathon, and this is the final product for the submission.